Actually, we'll start with large camera. Good morning. Hope you're well. We're back. I'm very excited to get cracking today, but we are going to start with this because I just opened up Steam to get a link to my game, but this is very exciting. Let's have a look, shall we? Let me pause my Spotify for a sec.
Hey everyone, this is Steam Deck. Steam Deck is our powerful, portable, handheld gaming PC that lets you take your Steam library with you anywhere.
I have one.
We're pretty proud of it. People who own Steam Decks have been playing everywhere, and we couldn't be happier with the response we've heard from all of you. We're excited to talk about the future of Steam Deck, but not today, because this isn't a video about the future of Steam Deck. This is a video about the future of Steam hardware. Today, we're announcing 3 new members of the Steam hardware lineup. All connect you with powerful PC gaming. All are optimized for gaming with Steam, and all are shipping in early 2026. Let's start with this one. This is the new Steam controller. The new Steam controller puts all of your Steam games at your fingertips, so you can play wherever and however you want. Just like with Steam Deck, we want you to be able to play any game with your Steam controller, even games never built with a controller in mind.
Yep.
It has all the great features from Steam Deck, like trackpads, gyro, and back buttons, all in a comfortable form factor. Its next-generation magnetic thumbsticks let you play with improved responsiveness and longevity. We've put capacitive touch sensors on the thumbsticks and now on the back of the controller too, so you can enable precision gyro aiming with the touch of your thumb, or your pinky if you're feeling fancy. Play for way too long with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that allows for over 35 hours of playtime. With Steam Controller, we want to make charging and wireless pairing something that's actually easy. That's why we created the Puck. The Puck is a combination wireless adapter and magnetic charger included with every Steam controller. Snap it on to charge.
That's cool.
Once you're charged up, snap it off again. You can play over Bluetooth or a wired connection too. The new Steam controller works with any device running Steam or Steam Link, whether it's a PC, Mac, handheld, smartphone, Steam Deck, or the new Steam Machine. Oh, this is the new Steam Machine.
Sick.
Steam Machine is a powerful gaming PC in a small but mighty package, designed for your games on the big screen.
Yeah.
It's quiet too, which is crazy since it's 6 times more powerful than a Steam Deck, powered by a discrete, semi-custom AMD GPU, enabling 4K gaming at 60 frames per second with FSR. Steam Machine runs SteamOS made for a bigger screen, built for gaming in your living room, your office, or wherever you play, with the rest of your PC accessories. Steam Machine borrows some great features from Steam Deck, like lightning-fast sleep and wake, an SD card slot to easily expand your storage, and brings some new tricks of its own, like a customizable LED strip, which can show different system functionalities, or your own light show. Steam Machine is a PC, so run whatever software you want, and it works with all your favorite desktop and gaming accessories. Steam Machine is designed to work hand in hand with the Steam controller, with the low latency, wireless connectivity of the Steam controller Puck built right in. And it's great for streaming your games to your phone, tablet, laptop, Steam Deck, or Steam Frame. Oh, yep, this is Steam Frame.
They're really going all in on hardware.
Steam Frame is Valve's next-generation VR hardware. Stream all your Steam games, VR and non-VR alike, in this comfortable, lightweight, wireless VR headset. Steam Frame uses camera-based tracking, so getting into your games is as easy as slipping on the headset and waking it up. Steam Frame controllers, included with the headset, are designed with all the inputs you need for your VR titles, like motion controls and capacitive tracking for all your fingers, as well as a split gamepad layout to work with your whole Steam library. They even feature the same magnetic thumbsticks as Steam controller for responsiveness and longevity. Steam Frame also pairs seamlessly with the new Steam controller, a great companion for playing non-VR games in the headset. To make sure streaming is smooth and stable no matter what, Steam Frame includes a wireless adapter that lets you stream your games from your PC to your headset over a fast and dedicated Wi-Fi 6 connection. And the game is streamed to your frame optimized for VR, using new technology that allows for the highest resolution streaming exactly where your eyes are looking. And Steam Frame is a PC, running Steam OS. In addition to streaming, you can install and play a bunch of VR and non-VR games right in the headset without a host PC. You can also expand your onboard storage to fit even more games with a micro SD card. Steam Controller, Steam Machine, and Steam Frame. All built with the same DNA as Steam Deck. All powered by Steam, work together, and can be used however you'd like with whatever peripherals and accessories you choose. Everything you see here is the culmination of what we've learned from our previous hardware experience and what we've wanted ourselves as gamers. Powerful PC gaming in an open ecosystem, giving you more ways to enjoy the games you love and discover new ones. Steam Controller, Steam Machine, and Steam Frame are all shipping in early 2026. Learn more at steampowered.com/hardware.
That's pretty rad. I am incredibly interested in that. A Steam Machine is kind of exactly the thing I wanted as my next console. That's crazy. There you go. They're doing it. Do I want to download all this stuff while I'm streaming? Probably not. But I'll do that later. I need to fucking uninstall this shit. Yes, I don't care. I don't play Valorant. Go away. Cool. Hello. Welcome back. So, today, I am going to turn Spotify back on. I want to finish off some respawning stuff that we started on Tuesday. Specifically, where we left off. We got the core functionality working, but there's no safety checks. There's no checking if the when we respawn, if there's a block at that spot, it doesn't check at all if there's anything there, or if that's a good spot to respawn us at all. So we're gonna do that. So how do we want to do that? Oh, that's the other thing. We wanted to we had some stuff in move executor, for like checking if the move was valid. Like where was that? Maybe it's in respawner. Last valid position. Is position. Oh, wait, where's is position valid? I forget where that method was. Here we go. It's in move. Oh, it is in move calculator. That's right, I moved it. Because I want to be using layer mask. And we also need to get rid of every reference to player brain. We can also just like we're referencing ourselves. That's stupid. Cool. Let's make a new section here first. For this new functionality that we're going to make. And as I usually do, add some more asterisks to make it even, because because I'm a neat freak. Yep. And then at the end, we need our end region. Cool. Now, the next thing that I wanted to do is this roll layer mask. It's good, don't get me wrong, but I've been across the board kind of reworking our naming convention system for variables, in that things that a class is always going to have the member m underscore to signify that, like, they're always going to have that. So let's rename this bad boy. Andrew. Hello, Andrew. You are cheeky boy. Toya more like toilet. Andrew more like band Drew. Be very funny if I banned you just for that. Oh dear. And also the other thing that I'm doing is I'm adding like capital at the start. Straight up Toya-ing in the chat right now. She Toya on my cube till I merge. What the heck is happening? I'm coding. Maybe I'm coding. Are you guys slime bowling today? Oh, big kisses. Thank you very much. That's very exciting. Shapes and letters. Wow, that's very sweet of you guys to join in. Have you guys seen Mimi's cute, most recent Toya fan art? I should show you. It's very good. It's brilliant. I want to make it an emote somewhere. It's so good. Oh dear. I love it so much. I think you guys should not make it level based. I'd prefer the like infinite climber version. I think that was cooler and less work. Oh, good. I'm so glad. Yeah, good. Yeah. Good choice. We climb. I will not worry. Well, good luck, gamers. Let me know if you need any. You literally have 2 programmers, so you don't need me. But if you design though, if you need a design pass, I'm very happy to look over anything. Oh, that's right. Why can't I? Maybe become British. Yes, favorite designer. Oh my goodness, crazy. No, I wouldn't at all, Andrew. I never would. I just. I would never do such a thing. We should. I agree, we should. What was that called before? No block. I'm going really well. My new schedule is coming along nicely. So these days I stream Tuesdays and Thursdays game dev, which I'm very happy about. Stinky. And then on Mondays and Wednesdays when I have class, I go in and to Game Plus and do emails and applications and other MISC, more boring stuff. Yeah. Mailing that E. Yeah. And I'm just thrilled to be like doing some game dev stuff. Cause it's been so long and I've been doing so much other stuff. Is that gonna unassign a bunch of variables because I renamed them? Probably. I should make, can I? No, I can't. Great. Yeah. Game dev is great. I've missed it dearly. I don't know why this game camera is black. It's very annoying. Schedules are so tight right now. For you guys, you may have seen on the Discord, but what I've been working on, actually it might have broken because I've just renamed a bunch of variables in here. Yes, the role layer mask needs to be, we'll just chuck it to everything for now. But everything else should be fine. The pop. I've been working on the pop. I think I showed Andrew when I showed you yesterday evening when I rocked up for class. But let me, oh, fuck's sake. Dan's done this thing where the scene view rendered, like, doesn't have any color when I've paused it, which is very annoying. I've been working on respawning, and so our lovely cube, he's respawning, he's coming back up. So what it used to do is it used to just like spin on the spot where it respawns. Now what it does is it goes one unit above that. And then bloops back into existence. I can hear my dog barking. Oh, jeez, found something. Bloop. Yeah, look at it. It's beautiful. Bloop. Oops, wrong way. Oh, that'll still work. Yeah. It's very pretty. Ooh. I don't know. I don't know what a vertex shader is. I'm terrible. What's a vertex shader? Does it shade the vertexes? I assume it does. I should be looking at the root before Mimi. Yeah. There do be a lot of vertexes there. Pretty much good. I'm glad. These do funky little things with objects vertex. No, okay. You'd think so. Because that sounds like it could be something that this does, but it is not what this does. What is happening? What's happening instead is the complete TOYA has this thing called a lattice, which is not visible because I've turned things off. So this little black box that I've got here, like if you've ever seen the gluttony levels in Ultra Cool, that's the best example I can think of. Yeah, it's super sick, and it's got handles, and you can like mess with it. And if I grab more handles, I can mess with all the handles. And so what happens if I now step off? So the lattice is still normal, but when we respawn, it's gonna like snap to an animation there, and then it's just animating over an animation curve back to full size. Yeah, so in real time it does this, and same with the splat. Yeah. And it's so satisfying. I love it. Bloop. Yeah. Something that Dan recommended is that we like start the fall earlier, which might be a little tricky because the way that the lattice handles are being positioned is in global position, not local position. So I might need to change how that works if we want to do that. But yeah, setting the handles. Do I? Yeah. New TOYA spin-off that lets you just throw and squish the TOYA around. Well, it's funny. Before the stream today, I was having a look to see if there's like a handy-dandy soft body physics thing that Unity does, but there's no like default best package. So I don't know. That was only 10 seconds of looking though. Anyway, back to the task at hand. What I was doing was this roll layer mask. You should make one. It's tempting. I do. It's tempting to, yeah, I could. Anyway, is position valid? Is using the roll layer mask, which is good. I remember in my deep mind about soft body tutorials from our course as optional content, but alas, I don't have access to it. No stress. I will ask those who still have access, like Andrew. And any time ever that we're doing this, instead I want to do my TOYA. Do I have a reference to that? I don't yet. It's mine. You can have it. You can't have it. But okay, I'm going to get back to work. Okay. No stress. My TOYA. And then from this, I'm going to grab this stuff. Yes. No, where was I? Lattice controller? Move calculator. That's right. Love you, baby. Yeah. Cool. Yes, so my TOYA is now, we have my TOYA. I'm gonna go my TOYA scale. Yeah, just that. Cool. So what this is doing is it's checking if there's something there. If there's something blue. Yeah. We should also check if there's something above, because then we can't do it as well. Actually, I'll just fucking yoink all this. Yep. And then this is the check to see if it's stuck. I swear I already had a check if stuck thing. Maybe not. Maybe that was just in, yeah. Should also have a look in this script to see if we've still got any references to player brain. Yes. Check block below. Yes. You need to be replaced with my TOYA scale. Great. Amazing. Great. Get moves in direction. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, context is fine. Yeah, this is the other thing that I wanted to do. Where is this happening? Oh, it's carryable stuff. Cool. Don't care. We will worry about that later. What we are doing for now is this. Is respawn position valid? Cool. So now let's reintegrate that into this. What do you need? Why are you shitty? Oh, are you... Oh, because I'm looking at the wrong thing. Cool. Let's test it. So the way that we're going to test that is firstly our control, see if it works when we think it should work, and then see if it what happens when it doesn't. We roll. It's not found a last position. Excellent. It should have one. It's definitely got one, but for some reason the check is failing. So let's have a look where the check is failing. Probably because the roll layer mask is fucky wucky. Let's fix this first of all. That might be why. Nope, still not liking it. So let's see where we're failing. I love GitHub Copilot. It's so useful. So generally when I program, I like to do a thing where I have a isDebug bool at the top of pretty much every script, and that way I can just like turn on and off if things give debug warning messages, rather than like deleting all the debugs. I just still keep them there just in case. Yeah, so now we can see, because there is no block above, that's not what I want it to do. Because they're... Ah, I see. This is the wrong way around. Yeah, I don't know why there was a no there. That's weird. Oh, because there needs to, yeah. Yeah, because there needs to be a block below. But I check if there is a block directly above. Bad. Check if there is a block directly below. Good. Bad. Yeah. I should probably be doing it like this. The raycast works just fine, but I don't know. I don't want to. Oops, that'd be the wrong way. There we go. Awesome. The other thing that I'm curious about is in our respawner. Oh, that's interesting. The snapping has not been working. Okay, multiple issues. The first of which is that I want it to... Ah. Weird. Do I want it to save its position when it lands? Probably. Yeah. That's fun. Why is it doing debugs there? It's weird. Whatever. It's probably... Oh, it's checking context. Yeah, that's right. So, yes, it's figured out that I'm not stuck. Bene. So let's start then by figuring out if the cases work. So let's start actually. Okay, so we have a last valid position. Let's get another one. And if we fall off and then grab this block and duplicate it and move it up. Come on. You're not static. There we go. And oh, aha! You see that? He respawned here because this position was filled. So now if we do the same, but He's stuck. He's got no last valid positions. He's stuck. Why is he stuck? He should still have... That's strange. Ah. Okay. Yeah, that's what I was worried about. Why? What was causing that to add another last valid position? Oh, I know what it was. It's because I was doing this. That's very funny. Because I had a block. Fuck. Because I had a block here. If we go back to our TOYA, you'll see that if I input now, it fills instantly because it's just like permanently stuck. Cool. That's something else I wanted to do, which is that in our respawner, when we're adding a last valid position, I want to first check if it contains it. Yeah. Sick. And we'll add out nice brackets just in case we need to add more to that later. Cool. That should help. Yeah. Cool. That was easy. So now what I want to do... Yeah. This is like an edge case of an edge case, so we don't really need to do this, but I like to be safe about it. If we have a block... Fuck you. We have a block here. Yeah. Beautiful. And then the same thing even if we go back up and then fall off and then put a guy here. And also maybe a guy... Let's get rid of him and see what happens. Oops. This one. Where is your block? Okay, no, he's fine. Right. Yeah, he didn't like it. There was no block underneath. Yeah, cool. Awesome. That should do for now. Yeah, cool. That'll totally do for now. Cool. Now let's move on to merging up. Cool. So at the moment, when our lovely TOYA when he roll into an incomplete TOYA, what happens? Nothing.
Hey.
Oh, that's right. There's stuff in there. That's very funny. I was wondering because I've still got 4 viewers, and I was like, I bet those guys have kept me on in the background. Yeah. Okay, so where was that logic? Probably in player cube up. Or player merge, whatever I called it. I did call it player cube up. This is another thing that'll have to get put into into the into the TOYA itself. Hey. Yeah, exactly. We chillin'. I wish there was a way in streaming services that you could like turn off my voice if you wanted to and just listen to the tunes. Cool. Let's start by opening up our player brain and deleting player cube up. Yep. On. We're gonna have to do player SFX and player UI as well. Eventually, and player carry, and probably player animator. So it's gonna end up being just movement and input, I think, which is very funny to me because this had so much shit in it before. And then we're gonna go into our TOYA, and it's tempting to put. It's a movement thing. So it could go in the TOYA mover. The topology of the old incomplete cube is not ideal. I might find an artist to redo this for us. I just did it using Pro Builder and it's got some fucking janky edges on it. But it's good enough for now. No, I'll pay maybe $20 to do it. I'm waiting for her ears to like prick up and be like, work for me? Let's put it in the main thing. Why not? Actually, before we add it, who is? Where do I have it? Oh, I see. Let's open you up and rename you to TOYA Merger. Cuba, maybe? Cube upper.
Most people nowadays say I have no time. Yes, you don't.
Naming things is hard.
You are not
I hate
aware
naming
of the
things.
present. You know, the present is represented on your watch by a
Let's go
halo
merge it for now.
that is as thin as possible as is consistent with visibility.
Who's pinging me? Mimi's
So
pinging
everybody
me.
thinks the present is instead of
Is this me? Who is this of Chat GPT ad? Oh, it's so good. It's rage. Oh dear. This doesn't need to be a singleton. these can all go. Doesn't need an away clip for now.
Now,
Yep.
the present is the only real time. There is no past. And there isn't a future. And there never will be.
I see. Yeah, the tricky bit of this is that there is like okay, well, let's get rid of the animation for now. Okay, there's so much renaming. Why did we change the name? Yep. Interesting. I see. There is a thing. In that I'd really like it if they need to like stay part of them. They don't need to, they need to not delete. This is actually quite a complicated system. More complicated than I at first anticipated. And we've got some wonderful Skyrim music to go with us as we embark on this difficult quest. Yes. Set current TOYA. This should return a TOYA. And then this stuff. Yeah. All this stuff needs to move into TOYA Merger. And then this needs a TOYA. Loading cubes. Let's turn off all this for now. And then if my TOYA, then turn game object off, and then yeah. Turn that cube on, wake it up, turn the trigger on, do the events, reset positions, don't worry about camera stuff. And then in here, at some point in the finish move stuff, I imagine there is... unless I'm wrong, here it is, merging. It's just checking always. Which is a fine way to do it. But it's not very good. So instead what we're going to do is re-comment that out and have a look at just putting a trigger in there instead of doing it by a transform, because doing it by a transform is stupid. So what we should have at the moment is in the incomplete TOYA, there should be a little loading queue up trigger, is loading event. Which is good, which is very good. Let's call this merge trigger and get rid of, actually, what are you? That's just got an on trigger enter. Let's try killing you, and this should have because you have a rigid body, yeah. What if I just chucked an on trigger enter in my TOYA? It's probably, yeah. 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 I wonder if this will work, because theoretically in here we should have oh my god, you need to move out of this crap. Why did that go red? Oh, because there's a thing there. So our player 2 has an incomplete cube. Why do we have... Go away, I don't care. That also has a rigid body. That should be asleep, I imagine. We'll see, let's see what happens. Let's also actually go into our thing and turn off all these. Oh, good. Good. Let's just close and reopen Unity because it's being funky. I think I clicked on something that had some editor scripts that were not working. So it's just like, no. It's not good. It's not good, yeah. I also want to go into incomplete TOYA and remove merge transform because you're not going to be a thing anymore. And TOYA script, yep. Let's go into this and delete you. Any errors? Some errors. You. Check if can merge. Yes. I don't care. You can go. Because we're not going to be using that anyway. Oh, we will. We will be using a script with that name, but it's not going to work anywhere near like we used to. So. Yes, now we have this. Let's see if we can play. We can. Triggered with merge trigger on layer 4. Guten. Complete TOYA on layer 6. I see, because I probably have one as well. Oh, but you're turned off. Interesting. Let's go into TOYA Mover and make sure that's all debugged. Where are all these debugs coming from? Move executor. Who's? Oh, I was looking at the wrong one. Cool. Do we also have input debugging? No. Weird. That was weird. Oh, it's probably just nicking it in the corner, yeah. TOYA triggered with on object splash on layer 0. Merge trigger. Player proximity trigger, true. That's a good one to know. So. Let's also just double check. TOYA triggered. No. Game object dot name triggered. I don't really care about layer. And then the other thing we're going to do is move our merge trigger to be not in a terrible spot. Firstly, you're going to be 0.1 by 0.1 by 0.1. No, you're not. You're going to be 0.8 by 0.8 by 0.1, and then you're going to move on down a lot. To like here, minus 0.45, maybe even 4, just to be safe. Cool. That should tidy up a whole bunch of things. Yeah. Yes. Interesting. Huh. That's fascinating. Because these triggers are off. You're like... Oh, no, you're on for sure. So player 2 cube received an on trigger from complete TOYA. And... Yeah, and you received one from merge trigger. Interesting. So they both receive one from each other. Which makes sense, because they... Does it? I could have sworn on awake. Yeah, we're telling our rigid body to sleep. Whatever. Let's do this so that those get filtered out. And then if other dots... What are we hitting again? We're hitting the merge trigger. What we'd want to do is find the TOYA from this merge trigger, which is very easy. We just go GameObject.get component and parent. Although, what I might try first, actually... no, I don't care about this. We found a TOYA. I also want to try just doing this, because I got a feeling that that will work. So let's have a look. Yes, and you need to have your scale, obviously. Yes, we did. So that's getting triggered by the player proximity. Yeah. Oh, that's got its own rigid body for some reason. I'm just gonna rename this because it's a stupid name. Can I rename them? No. What is that emoji? Can I put it in here? Good vibes, Your Honor. Good vibes. Oh my god, these tags are a mess. It's very tempting to like... There's like sticky, and there's sticky standard. There's player. Proximity trigger. TOYA proximity. Cool. That will obviously break that other thing, but that's fine. We found a TOYA. And cool. Yeah, we need to check others tag. Do we? Because it's just scale blocks at this point. If that excludes the player, and we make this on the player cube layer, there we go. That's more gooder. Cool. Yep. 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 I don't know why this needs a rigid body. I kind of want to do that. Yeah. There's some heaters on this playlist. Emily yelled at me because I was bullying her. Oh, that's not nice. This fucking proximity trigger is gonna drop. Maybe I could exclude, like, there should probably be a layer for it, like player non-interactable. Yeah. Yeah, actually that's the way to do it. And then same with our incomplete. You all ignore player non-interactable. Now, is this incomplete cube made up of 3 box colliders when it could be 1 custom mesh? Yes. Am I going to make that custom mesh? No. custom collider even. Because 3-box colliders is just as good. And then our player prox trigger is on the player non-interactable layer. Good. I'm glad. I'm glad you like it, Emily. Yeah, cool. This should help. Damn it. Probably because this... Yeah, there we go. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Great. Now all we need to do is trigger the trigger TOYAing up here. Oh, we do need to check first, actually. Yes. TOYA. No. TOYA needs a reference to our lovely new thing. TOYA merger. Yeah. If yeah, let's chuck it in here. TOYA merger is or can merge up. Can TOYA merge? And we take TOYA little TOYA big TOYA. And this returns a boolean. The way we're going to check this is very easy. If little TOYA scale mathf power is power of 2. Ooh. Returns true if the value is power of 2, closest power of 2, next power of 2. Returns the next power of 2 that is equal to or greater than the argument. That's sick. That's exactly what I want. Equals, yeah. That's it. Why are you shitty? Cannot convert from float to int. Get good. Yes, you can. Don't lie. I don't know why it doesn't just do that. TOYA little TOYA of scale. Little TOYA scale can merge into big TOYA of scale. Big TOYA scale. Easy. TOYA merger does not contain a definition for is. Yes, you are right. My TOYA. No. This. And, can I do, like, out TOYA? Is there a way I can do that? Fuck it. Then we do TOYA merger. Merge TOYA. I should really assign this. That's whatever. I don't want to assign each thing. Fine. Cool. Cool. We didn't even get the debug, which is weird. Probably because it's not turned on to debug. Let's see where we went wrong. Okay. Yes. TOYA has triggered with TOYA. Yep. Has found a brother. Where's it going wrong? Yeah. Oh, I'm so stupid. I always forget to do this. Every single time. Yeah, the script needs to exist on it, Rupert. There we go. Found it. And I also need to assign it. Now, could I be doing all this automatically? Yes. But I don't want to. Good. Good. Guten. Good. You need to debug. Faux show. We're obviously not passing this check. Yes. Returns the next boundary that is equal to or greater than. It's probably returning itself. Fuck. Why would it? That's annoying. Fine, I'll do it the boring way. No. Stop it. Raise you to the power of 2. Yeah. 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 It's not passing. For some reason. TOYA. Firstly, let's check actually if. Oh no, I fucked up. If. Yeah. Weird. Because that should be good. Am I crazy? Oh, I am crazy. 1 to the power of 2 is 1. Because it's 1 times 1. Oh. I'm stupid. I'm stupid boy. That is a true TOYA moment, because every other number works except for 1. That's great. Where should I put that logic? The, like, big get next power of 2. An actual get next power of 2. It's not lying. In TOYA makes sense. Yeah. Fuck it. I swear it listens to me. Yeah, thank you. Oh, I can. Ah, oh, that's good. That's good. It knows. I'm so confident Copilot listens to me as I code. If my TOYA get next power of 2 scale, yeah. I got emails that I should have read. I forgot. I checked my phone like just before I got on stream, and there was some interesting looking emails that I should have looked at before I went live. I'm invited to something. End of year celebration. I got the email twice. Cool. Whatever. Okay, no, it's not that interesting actually. Cool. Oh, good. Good. That is progress. Merging cubes. Brilliant. Yeah, I shouldn't be turning it off. Let's not do that just yet. And then also in where was that logic? It was in TOYA. Valid. Valid, for real, for real. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's programming. Yes. He is in there. And I can't move. Excellent. Okay, this is progress. He's hiding. He's in there. Sick. Why did that do a fall? Yeah, let me skip this one for you. Big cube. So who? Who? No. Actually, that was a play. We don't. Oh my god. The renaming continues. I don't. Oh, do I need current scale? No, I don't. Oh no, but I will. Yes, that's fine. Current scale index will also keep. Starting TOYA. these can go. I don't need a reference to those. I guess. Yeah. We'll probably come back to that because there'll probably be a way. Like, there'll probably be like a player, whatever. In the eye of the storm. Alright, this can all go as well. No, good. Thank you. Who? Oh, starting side is not set. Let's start with that. That's so funny. I think what's happening is, yeah, it's doing a fall. Because in the move executor, shit, yes. Maybe this didn't need to be in here. Fuck. Yeah, because it is always going to be at the end of the move. Yeah, shit. Let's just instead check, instead of doing this, I think I don't want to get rid of the trigger box, because the trigger box is good, is useful. Let's just politely ask this to stop doing this for a second. What do I want to happen? We can ignore that for now. I'm just thinking about like TOYAs of different sizes with different size gaps. Like if we had like one that's like 3 units, or like let's say like 4 units cubed and had only a 1 unit gap, my thing wouldn't work the way it would, but we can worry about that later. What I want to happen is the Sprout Games thing here? Whatever. Oh, that's right. It's the player preferences thing. Yeah. Okay. So. What I think this should do, instead of directly triggering the merge, is just telling it's, maybe this should be public. Yeah. Cool. And let's just do that. Why? And then in our move executor stuff, yeah, if my TOYA has a potential next TOYA, yeah, then we do our check. You need another argument metric. You need my TOYA. And actually this can be whatever. We'll keep it like this for now. And then if it can, then merge. And then let's have a look at the toy merger stuff. Yeah. It's tempting to play an animation there. Whatever. We'll roll with this for now. And then at the end of all this, we will turn my TOYA off. Yeah. No, we won't do that yet. That probably needs to be controlled by the next TOYA. Is probably the way to do that. That's where that logic should be handled. The one it's cubing into, merging into. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Oh. Ah, you know what I could do? Is instead of next TOYA... Oh, this is potentially very clever. Instead of next, we feed it the previous one. And then we turn off all the stuff on the previous one. And then we turn on all the stuff on ourselves. The thing is, we just need to make sure that where we're calling this, we need to set this guy is the guy that calls it. Which is very funny. And then my TOYA. Yeah. And all of this is in the player brain. Current TOYA gets set equal to that. Bang! Oh, get that up, yeah. Don't have all this forehead for nothing. Let's see if it works first. Pride cometh before the fall. Okay. I'm okay with that. I should still make that public so I can see if it's talking to the right one. Oh, that's right, it's static. It's annoying. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is stupid. This is dumb. Just so I can see it. This is the good thing. This is the annoying thing about static singletons, is that the inspector doesn't like them. Extremely promising. The movement is not working, obviously. What is happening? It's not. It's. Oh, well, that won't help, will it?
That real shit.
This guy probably needs to get turned off. Let's do that. I could probably delete it. but I want to keep it possible for it to come back. Hell yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, that's right. Crushing doesn't exist. Oh, and I'm stuck. Hell yeah. That's amazing. I wonder if respawning works. And falling. Oh, whoops, that's the wrong way. It do. I need to make a... Yeah, okay, let's make a display. Oh, whoa. Why? No, why, why he moved big? No, it was going so well. He yump. What is happening? Excuse me? Yeah. Okay. Where are you? Yeah, that looks good. Ah. That's... Oh. Oh, hang on. Why is it big? Ah, because its scale's getting reset, I think. In lattice controller. Where did I put that? Snap. Yes. No. Snap TOYA grid. Yeah. Ah, that's... Something's not working. Somewhere the wrong scale is getting applied. It's probably a player brain ting instead of a... yeah, but that should be referring to... Yeah, current TOYA. Let's see if it's... Oh, it's already there. It's already bigger there. Let's see if it's a falling issue. If I can... Lockout's not going to work because I broke it. Sad. Maybe a splatting issue. Oh God. You lot, come here. Get out of the moving landmass. Come here. This scene is a mess. Oh, that's good too. I wonder if it gets bigger each time. No, it doesn't. It just seems to... Alright, okay, well at least it's not multiplicative. That's one of my favourite words. Oh, I keep doing that. Oh, why can't you climb up? That's dumb. Yeah, it's falling. Cool. That way took ages to debug for no reason. Move executor. Falling. Ah. I love comments. I'm dyslexic as, so I have to have comments to like separate the colors out. It makes it way more like possible for me to code. Probably in the end fall stuff. Yeah. No, that's valid. Look, code should be self-commenting. Is all well and good. Whoa. I did not want to do that. The snapping is also not working. It's like way off, or just not being applied. I say way off. It's only a little bit off. Yeah, snap TOYA to grid. What's going on? They're both getting cold. That one's happening in the splat. Oops. Ah, I'm scaling the wrong thing. I'm scaling the wrong thing. No, I'm not. I've got a feeling this might also be the issue. I might move this from player brain. In fact, no, we can have a current scale index, but we'll get this method. If current row does not equal null, then we'll do still want to make it a TOYA specific thing. So let's go into here and make a 303. Oh my god, it reads my mind. Reads my mind. Return. Actually, I can just do it like this. I don't need you. I do you. And I don't need a setter. Yeah. Yeah, whatever. I don't care. Move, execute it, and then you, instead of this, we do my TOYA. Yeah. I think that's the issue. And I don't need current scale. Ah. Yeah. Yeah, because we're scaling the whole thing. Ooh. No, it should take a scale. That's the way to do it. Just in case. And this should probably be in... Oh no, that's fine. Yeah. I'm getting hungry. Nearly lunchtime. Somewhere that's getting set to be more bigger. It was just this. Balls. Nah, that took way too long to debug. But I'm annoyed that the snapping's still not working nicely. Like, he's got a bunch of floating point errors. And that's weird too. Why? Oh, it's probably like a weird geometry thing. Like I've moved the... Whoops. I moved the block without moving it. Maybe? Maybe not. It's hard to tell. I don't think so. Oh, there's a thing behind it. There's that. That might be it. There's a bunch of just new game objects just sitting here. Oh dear. Yeah. There's some stuff just chilling there for no reason-ish. Oh. Oh, there we go. No, wait. You be gone. I think that's why. Because it was meant to be doing like a bonk 3. But it was not. Awesome. Yeah, that's looking good. I like that. That was weird. Is that weird shadows, I think? Yeah, look at these crunchy shadows. Oh, that's good. Bloop. It still doesn't want to go up there. Oh yeah, because you're still there. Yeah, be gone. Oh, I'm in play mode. Oops. I'm not updating the roll layer mask, that's right. If I was being really efficient about this, what I would do is I would transfer over a lot of the like... I can't be fucked. Alright. Awesome. Basic, merge, working. Gorge. And that's going to do us for this morning. I hope you've enjoyed. I certainly have. Thanks for tuning in, those that have. And I will catch you this afternoon. See ya.